Hey there, NCAPers. In today's episode of NCAP TV, I'm going to talk to you about our new cloths that we've been handling here at Excellent Supply. They're called Packed, and that's exactly what they are. Stay tuned to find out more. So what is it that makes the Packed microfiber cloth so special? Why in fact do we call it the Packed cloth? Well, as we dive a little deeper, we're going to explore what makes this a standout microfiber cloth as compared to traditional microfiber cloths. So what does that break down to in numbers? 300 GSM is the industry standard for microfiber cloths. When we bump it up to 400 GSM, we're looking at over a 30% increase in the density of what's in this cloth. Additionally, in addition to that 30+% increase, microfiber on its own is 40 times more absorbent than cotton. So here's a standard traditional, what I always think of as a basic average microfiber cloth, the kind that most of us have worked with. It's a 14-inch cloth, it's blue normally in color, and it's actually pretty wimpy compared to this microfiber cloth. And in fact, I think you can honestly just see the difference in the density as I hold them and squish them in my hands a little bit. But let's get a little bit more technical about it. Let's look at the standard 14-inch microfiber cloth that most people use. We're going to put it on a scale and we'll see what we've got here. So let's start by adding the 300 GSM cloth to our scale. And as we can see here, our 300 GSM cloth is coming in at 5 ounces. Now I'm going to put our 400 GSM cloth on there, and you see we're coming in at 21 ounces. That's a comparative difference between 300 GSM and 400 GSM. So what does that mean? That means that our packed cloths are just what the name implies. They're packed, they're dense, there's a lot of fiber there, and it's absorbent fiber. It's going to clean better. Then when we get to the actual mechanics of microfiber, microfiber is a very interesting type of fiber. It's really shaped more like an asterisk with these channels in it. So picture this channeled surface now as it's cleaning. There's a lot more spaces for soil and other debris to be trapped. It works really well to pull soil into these little channels, so to speak. So it's going to clean better than any other fabric type right off the bat. In addition to that though, microfiber rinses easily. So if you just simply go and you rinse it in water, it releases that soil out of the cloth much more readily than, let's say, cotton would. So it cleans better, it releases the soil in the rinse application. When you rinse and wring it out, it's going to release the soil more readily. One more aspect is that a traditional blue, kind of traditional flimsy blue microfiber cloth is 14 inches. Our packed cloths are 16 inches, so they're a little bit bigger, and that's part of why it weighed more on the scale. But obviously that was a pretty huge jump from 5 ounces to 21 ounces for the packed cloth. So you're getting a lot more for your money, and in fact they're pretty reasonably priced if you check them out on our website. I'll put a link to the packed cloths below. If you're looking for a quality terry cloth, microfiber towel, cleaning cloth for carpet cleaning, spot cleaning, or for any cleaning purpose, I think you'll really find that the packed cloths deliver value for your dollar. It's one more way we want to help you max your end cap here at Excellent Supply. Thanks for watching this episode. Share your comments below. I'll put the description in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you would. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.